Hello everyone, welcome to this new video, and today I'm gonna show you something cool. This is something I made with React, and it has something like cards here. So when I hover over, it shows the card here. So in this card, what we have here is a name, age and score listed like this. This is a lot of number of people, right? In this case I have, let's say, for I think it's 9 people. So I didn't type this, actually I automatically generated this data. So there are some times in your when you're developing something, you need some kind of data to play with, and to play with your product or website or any app you're making, so that when it comes to user, it should be usable, right? So that's why sites like generate data exist here. So you can generate data automatically from here. So this is really nice site, because that's how I made this thing here. Let me show you. Well, what I have here is persons array, actually persons array, and I have name, age and score against it. And actually, to type this, it will be a long thing, a long what do you say, it will be a hefty task for you. So that's why I use this one, and it's really cool site actually. So what you have to do is actually define the column titles first. For example, I can define name here and select the data type. So this already has some templates here. For example, this is human data, and geo, and text, and numeric, math and stuff. So let's say I need names, right? So I'll take name, and I can give some examples. For example, if I take let's say John Smith, what it is like male name and surname, right? So maybe I just need something like this, name and surname, which is it generates both female and male names. And also you can have something like this, very what do you say, complex thing. And for now I will take this one, name and surname. Next thing, let's say age, right? So we need age sometimes. So how do you generate that? It's actually simple. Under numeric, go to number range, and you can choose number between. So normally I can choose like 20 to 37, and it will randomly generate some data. So the point of this is to make a data set randomly, so that you can use to your project for testing purposes and stuff, right? It is not real data or anything. It's really what do you say, it's a fake data thing. Now let's say I want to make something, let's see, address, right? Okay, for example, if I need street address, I can choose here street address. Okay, under this I can say let's say address. Okay, address, and let's say I will give something like score here, and it will be numeric again, and yeah, number range, and between, let's say I will give score from ranging 200 till 500 and stuff. So this is how you set it up, and you can choose export types here. So for example, if you need CSV or Excel sheet, HTML table, or list elements, or sorts of stuff. And also you can have JavaScript object notation format also. So what I chose is programming language and JavaScript, because I was working with something React. So I was working with React, so I chose JavaScript here. You can choose even XML and SQL here, so you can make your SQL table here, and yeah, it's pretty much a really advanced thing. So I can take JavaScript and generate how many rows. I can make like 100 rows for example, and if I click generate, what happens is like it will generate data for so what happened right now is it's downloaded. I can because I chose to prompt to download this, right? So I can change this to new tab, something like that, and if I click that, it will generate data again and will show you in new window. Let's see. Yes, you can see this very nicely. This is our data. Okay, now you can use this data in whatever way you want, because this is name, it has name like this, it gives us age. Maybe I'll choose something like this, generating a page. Oh yeah, this is better. It will show you really with good indentation and stuff. So as you can see is this is name, again age 29, address, see, completely random address, and school. So you can see how powerful this website is, and you can use for whatever project you need, let it be a dynamic project or app or anything. It's really useful. So I think this might be useful for you, and if you have any comments and questions, please leave it down below. And if you like this video, just give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.